This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down camera settings to avoid automatic shifts. Manually set ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and white balance so color data is stable. Position the ColorChecker Passport perpendicular to the lens and light source, filling about 1/5 to 1/3 of the frame so patches remain sharp. Capture a tight, well-exposed RAW reference frame and take 1 or 2 bracketed frames around the exposure to protect highlights or shadows. Once done, transfer files to your computer for profiling. Now you import the RAW reference into your color profiling tool and crop closely around the passport so each patch reads accurately. Make sure grid alignment or automatic patch detection matches the chart. If needed, nudge corners to correct perspective. Create an input profile or export a 3D LUT for your editing workflow, choosing either camera neutral or custom contrast settings based on scene needs. Save the profile with a descriptive name, including camera, and lighting for future recall and consistency. Apply your newly created profile to the footage and immediately toggle the before and after to verify neutral midtones and natural skin tones. This visual check confirms the profile behaved as intended. Make small, post-profile adjustments to exposure and contrast rather than color, because the profile should handle hue accuracy. Increase saturation only if creative intent demands. If you still see inconsistent color shifts across shots, reshoot the color checker under the same lighting and repeat profiling. Mismatched lighting is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.